Hello everyone. I welcome you all in this online session of teaching and learning of English. Dear students, I'm your friend and guide Kavita Sabharwal, working as English mistress at Government Senior Secondary School for Boys, Raho, in district SBS Nagar. Today we are going to learn adjectives, degrees of comparison. Please keep your notebooks and pens handy. Dear students, I'm sure you are going to enjoy learning degrees of comparison. So without any delay, let's start. Dear students, let's play a game. I'll give you some hints. With the help of the hints, please guess what it is. So, are you ready to play the game, students? That's good. Here we start with the game. The hints are: it is something round. It is small in size. It is fruity. It is juicy and tangy. Its color is orange. Do you know the answer, dear students? Let's see how many of you guessed it correctly. The answer is an orange. Now, here are some words which describe this fruit: shape, round; size, small; nature, fruity; taste, juicy and tangy; color, orange. All these words describe and characterize an orange. Its shape is round. Its size is small. Its nature is fruity. It's a fruit. It tastes juicy and tangy. It contains a lot of juice and has pleasantly strong and sharp flavor. Its color is orange. Here's one more picture for you, dear students. What is it? Yes, it is a muffin. A delicious and tasty muffin. When you eat it once, you are tempted to eat it more and more. Now, how can we describe a muffin? Let's see on the next slide. A muffin is baked, sweet, chocolatey, moist, and tasty. Dear students, all these words add something to the meaning of a muffin. Dear students, we have used different words to describe an orange and a muffin. These words which we have used to describe an orange and a muffin are adjectives. My dear students, now read the following sentences carefully. First, mango is a delicious fruit. What type of fruit is mango? It is a delicious fruit. Here the word delicious describes fruit. Second, they live in a big and beautiful house. What type of house do they live in? It's big and beautiful house. Students, here the words big and beautiful describe the house. Coming to the third sentence, a colorful butterfly is sitting on the red rose. In this sentence, the word colorful is describing a butterfly and the word red is telling us about the color of rose. Students, there are some underlined words in the given sentences like delicious, big, beautiful, colorful, and red. In these sentences, the underlined words are adjectives. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun or adds to its meaning. It qualifies a noun or a pronoun. Students, let us use the adjective tall to describe and compare the three boys in the picture. The name of the first boy is Ajay, second is Vijay, and third is Rajesh. Students, do you find any difference? Yes, the difference is of height. Let's move forward. Here we have used the adjective tall to describe and compare the three boys. We can say Ajay is a tall boy. It means Vijay is taller than Ajay. Rajesh is taller than both Ajay and Vijay. It means Rajesh is the tallest of the three boys. Students, do you like puppies? Now let's compare the three small puppies in the following picture. The first puppy is small. The second puppy is smaller than the first. The third puppy is the smallest of the three. Here, the three adjectives, which are small, smaller, smallest, help us to make comparison. Similarly, we can compare the following means of transport with the adjective fast. The car is fast. The train is faster than car. The plane is the fastest of all. Again, the three adjectives fast, faster, fastest help us to make the comparison. Dear students, can you now fill in the blanks with the suitable adjectives? I know you can. Please do it. We have three pictures here. The first picture is of elephant and it has been described as tall. The second picture is of giraffe and the third picture is of the Eiffel Tower. We have to fill these two blanks with the suitable adjectives. I hope you have done. Let's move to the next slide. Here we have the answers: tall, taller, and tallest. An elephant is tall. A giraffe is taller than an elephant. The Eiffel Tower is the tallest. So students, the words tall, small and fast are adjectives, and adjectives have 3 degrees of comparison: positive, comparative, superlative. Tall, taller, tallest. Small, smaller, smallest. Fast, faster, fastest. Now, let's learn the uses of degrees of adjectives. Dear students, the first degree of adjectives is positive degree. It is used when no comparison is implied. For example, Chandigarh is a beautiful city. Here, the adjective beautiful forms the positive degree. The second is comparative degree. It is used to compare two things or persons. For example, she is prettier than her sister. The adjective prettier forms the comparative degree. Students, please remember one thing, that the comparative degree is followed by the word than. The third degree of adjectives is superlative degree. It is used to compare more than two persons or things. For example, mango is the sweetest of all the fruits. The adjective sweetest forms the superlative degree. Students, one important point that you should keep in your mind is that the is used before the superlative degree. Dear students, please remember that most of the adjectives form the comparative by adding R, ER, IER and the superlative by adding ST, EST, IEST to the positive. Dear students, now let us look at the following examples: positive, comparative, superlative. Quick, quicker, quickest. Fine, finer, finest. Nice, nicer, nicest. Bold, bolder, boldest. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Deep, deeper, deepest. Dirty, dirtier, dirtiest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Happy, happier, happiest. So students, all these are the examples of the adjectives which form the comparative by adding R or ER or IER, and the superlative by adding ST or EST or IEST to the positive. Some adjectives with more than one syllable form the comparative by using the word more, and superlative by using the word most. Let us take some examples. Positive, comparative, superlative. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Courageous, more courageous, most courageous. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Satisfactory, more satisfactory, most satisfactory. Useful, more useful, most useful. Students, now let us move to the next slide. Dear students, please keep in mind that some comparative and superlative degrees of adjectives are not formed from the positive. They are different words. Let us look at some more examples. Positive, comparative, superlative. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Little, less, least. Far, farther, farthest. It means at a distance, like let's walk, it's not far. Then we have far, further, furthest. It means more, to a greater degree. Like, are there any further questions? Then students, in the given table, we have many, more, most. So these examples show us that some comparative and superlative degrees of adjectives are not formed from the positive. They are different words. Now let's move forward. Dear students, now it's your turn. I have got a few exercises for you. Let's practice and enjoy. Here's the incomplete table that has to be completed. The question is, give the positive, comparative and superlative degrees of the following adjectives. Students, 1 degree of adjectives is given and you have to write the other 2 degrees. The adjectives given under the positive degree are happy, beautiful, low. The adjectives given under the comparative degree are richer, more intelligent, bigger. And the adjectives given under the superlative degree are heaviest, worst, best. So please do it. I'll give you some time. I know you can do it. It's very easy for you. Give the positive, comparative and superlative degrees of the following adjectives. 1 degree of adjectives is given and you have to write the other 2 degrees. The adjectives given under positive degree are happy, beautiful, low. The adjectives given under comparative degree are richer, more intelligent, bigger. And the adjectives given under the superlative degree are heaviest, worst, best. The students, I hope you have completed. Let us move to the next slide. Now let's see what the table looks like after completion. Please tally and check your answers. We have 3 columns: positive, comparative, superlative. Happy, happier, happiest. Rich, richer, richest. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Bad, worse, worst. Low, lower, lowest. Big, bigger, biggest. Good, better, best. Students, I hope you have completed. Let us move to the next slide. Here's one more interesting exercise for you. Please try to solve it. The question is, fill in the blank with the suitable degree of adjective given in the bracket. First, the Taj is dash than any other building. The given adjective is beautiful. Second, this is the dash book I have ever read. The given adjective is good. Third, this dress is dash than that. The given adjective is costly. Fourth, Ram is dash than his sister. The given adjective is intelligent. Fifth, the climate of Shimla is dash than that of Delhi. The given adjective is good. Students, please solve it. Write the answers only. Fill in the blanks with a suitable degree of adjectives given in the brackets. The Taj is dash than any other building. This is the dash book I have ever read. This dress is dash than that. Ram is dash than his sister. The climate of Shimla is dash than that of Delhi. I hope you have completed. Let us check the answers. Here we have the answers. Please check. First, the Taj is more beautiful than any other building. This is the best book I have ever read. This dress is costlier than that. Ram is more intelligent than his sister. The climate of Shimla is better than that of Delhi. Students, I hope you have checked. Let us move to the next slide. I have got home assignment for you. Please note down your home assignment. The question is, complete the following sentences by choosing the correct degree of comparison. Australia is the dash island in the world. The options are large, larger, largest. The class test was dash than we had expected. Easy, easier, easiest. The elephant has the dash trunk. The options are long, longer, longest. Kilimanjaro in Africa is dash than Mont Blanc in Europe. The options are tall, taller, tallest. The white dog was the dash of all. The options are gritty, grittier, grittiest. Please note down and do your homework in neat and beautiful handwriting. Dear students, now it's time to wind up. Today we have revised adjectives, learned the degrees of adjectives, that is positive, comparative and superlative degrees. We have also learned how to use the degrees of adjectives. Then we have enjoyed doing interesting exercises. Dear students, you have really done very well today. Please keep learning, practicing and enjoying, because education is your best friend. So that's all for today, students. See you soon in another session with a new topic. Till then, goodbye.